Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing two latest smartphones, the Honor Magic 8 Pro and Honor Magic 8. There is not much difference between these phones. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Both mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Next compare display features. They offer LTPO OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Both two phones are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. Let's compare the camera features. Next compare the battery features. Both two phones include 5G connectivity studio speakers, Bluetooth 6 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.